Hey there, it's Saturday night. It was a dreary, rainy, thunderstormy day today, and I'm gonna sit down and watch a movie and have a snack. And all over social media lately, there's been this dip called Korean corn. And as you may or may not know, the other day I made a corn, tomato, and kale flatbread, and I had some leftover ingredients from that. So I'm going to make that dip, but it's not gonna be Korean because some of the ingredients are already pre-seasoned. I'm gonna sort of Southwest it up a little bit. So let's do it and let's have a nice Saturday night. This is gonna be a quick video because it's a quick and easy recipe. So here's the corn kernels that I had left over from our flatbread. And those are going in. I'm gonna give Kelly a few. Here's the sauce that we used for our pizza base. That's going in. Chipotle and adobo, a little tomato paste, and cream, and a roux. And that's gonna be tasty. I had some scallions, so those are going in too. And I have some fresh salsa, so boom. That's going in too. And the recipe on social media calls for mayonnaise, so I'm going to use that too. Just a little bit. And it also calls about a teaspoon of sugar to help bring out the natural sweetness in the corn. And finally, we're going to add some melty cheddar. And we're probably going to put some more on top. So there's that. Now all we got to do is mix this up and put it in a baking dish and drop it in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes or 15 minutes or so. So let's stir it up. Our Southwestern corn cheese is all mixed up, and now we're going to bake it up. I'm going to lightly spray this baking dish with a little non-stick cooking spray, just in case. And our mixture is going in. We're going to smooth it around to even it out. I don't know if I should have done a thinner layer than this, but it should be just fine. And now we're going to sprinkle it with just a little tad more cheese. And we're going in the oven, our Southwest corn cheese. Our Southwest corn cheese is 15 minutes in. It's bubbly and browning up. I'm going to stick it under the broiler for a minute or two and make it nice and brown. Our Southwest corn cheese is now out of the oven, nice and lightly browned on top. And I'm trying to pick it up and bring it closer, but it's not happening. Let's take these, get it up there. Close up, bubbly and cheesy and corny, and it's gonna make a great snack. And let's serve it up. Here's my Saturday night snack. It's Southwestern corn cheese with nice light crispy tortilla chips, and it's gonna be yummy. I wish I had some tequila in the house because it would go great with a margarita, but we'll just have another beverage instead. Here's what we look like on our chip. It's gonna be real, real good. Thank you for joining me while I set myself up with a nice, corny, cheesy, lazy Saturday night snack. And I'll be enjoying this, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks again.